Hello, and welcome to the first video of a two-part series about modalities, techniques, and treatment planning. This video provides an example of an RMT using a step-by-step process to determine that float therapy is not suitable to include in a massage therapy treatment plan. In this case, the RMT practices in a multidisciplinary facility that offers wellness and aesthetic services, including hydrotherapy float pool sessions. Recently, a client asked the RMT whether it would be possible to include the fees for 30-minute hydrotherapy float pool sessions in receipts for massage therapy. The RMT realized that before a decision could be made about receipts, they had to figure out whether hydrotherapy float sessions belonged in the client's massage therapy treatment plan. Knowing that the use of hydrotherapy float pools did not include controlled acts, the RMT thought about whether it fit within the scope of practice. After careful consideration, the RMT concluded that float therapy does not fit into the scope of practice because it does not include manipulation of soft tissues and joints of the body to assess and treat physical function or pain. Next, the RMT thought about whether it would be possible to use a hydrotherapy float pool in a way that meets outcomes and requirements in the standards of practice, and realized that it wouldn't be possible because they wouldn't be able to give all the required information to the client during consent conversations. They wouldn't be able to monitor client comfort and safety or re-verify consent throughout the sessions, and they wouldn't be able to clean and disinfect the float pool after every appointment in the way that is required by the standard of practice infection prevention and control. After careful consideration, the RMT realized that float sessions cannot be included in the client's treatment plan or in receipts for massage therapy. The RMT explained their decision to the client and clarified that receipts for the float pool sessions would be separate from receipts for massage therapy. To view another example of an RMT using this step-by-step process to make decisions about treatment planning, please refer to the second video of this series. For more information about modalities, techniques, and treatment planning, please refer to guidance published on CMTO's website.